just to show you, because there's not many videos on YouTube on how to do this. It's very simple once you know how to do it. It's the to change the turn signals on a BMW RT1200. It's the 2005 up to 2013. So if you take your rear view mirrors, push them out like this, you have a little hole in there. Get your T25 socket, Torx, find the screw, there you go, loosen that, and all this comes off. Keep that in place. This comes off. Very simple. Take the old bulb out. And what I usually do is I try not to touch the new one. Like this. Put the new one in. Just line up the Torx. And then put it back on. Not too much torque on this. Oh, sorry. That wasn't properly lined up. There we go. Not very hard once you know how to do it, but to find that Torx can be a bit tricky. So there we go, and the rear one is even easier. Well, sorry, this is just straight Phillips. I've loosened this one before. One on each side, and the whole thing comes off. And there you go, like that. Hope this helps someone. Okay, thank you.